This toilet is specially designed for North American homes. All USA standard fittings and parts makes it easy for a quick installation. Plumbers can install this in 30 to 45 minutes. No modification is needed to the existing bathroom. Squat toilets have many health benefits which will be discussed later on the video. This two-piece ceramic squat toilet with a modern design comes with a built-in S-strap. Extra glaze is applied during the manufacturing process under intense heat, which seals up the porous ceramic surface and thus prevents the buildup of germs and nasty waste. It also makes toilet cleaning easier and reduces the frequency of cleaning. The toilet surface has an inward slope with a little border all around so that water drains easily while you are washing and cleaning. The modern slim water tank comes with a dual flush. You can use the power as needed, minimizing the usage of water. Squat toilet needs stronger flushing due to the flat pan surface. We incorporated classic gravity flushing into modern design. Our slim US standard water tank occupies very less space, yet it gives powerful gravity flush because of its height. Water rushes down due to gravity, and the 2.5-inch pipe allows the water to come out in more force. This combination generates a powerful flush without the use of more water.